Hello and welcome to this quick tutorial video where I show you how to hide your Facebook Marketplace posts or listings from your friends and you're not annoying them if you're trying to do a house clean out or whatever it may be. So here we are on Facebook. Go ahead and log into your account if you haven't already and tap into the Marketplace icon at the bottom there of the list of items. And then once under your Marketplace settings here, go to under Selling where it says Your Listings. Now I'm going to show you first how you can take your existing listings and hide them from your friends, and then I'll show you how on new listings to do that. So here we are under Marketplace, go to Selling, go to Your Listings, and then under Your Listings, go to an active listing and tap the three dots there, the three dots beside the listing, and then go to Edit Listing. So it's the pencil icon, and then go ahead and click on Edit or tap on Edit. And then once you're here in the listing, you want to scroll down, and you're now going to see under Privacy Settings there, it says Hide from Friends. And if you enable that or tick that over to where it's blue, it says Hiding from Friends will remove the listing from groups. Now, this is a big thing here. If you do this and you hide it from friends, you are not able to go and add it to different groups. Like there's different yard sale groups locally in your area where you can add it to. But because of the privacy settings here, if you enable this, it will remove it or it will not be able to be added if it's a new item. So once you tap that over to the right there, it's blue, hit next, and then save the listing, and you're good to go. All right, now let's say you're creating a brand new listing. So go ahead and tap on Create Listing. Go ahead and choose whatever the item is. Go ahead and add photos if you want to. But if you scroll down here on the listing requirements, you're going to see the same privacy settings at the very bottom here, the first page of the listing setup process. Tap that over to the right, understanding that you're not going to be able to add it to outside groups like yard sale groups, places like that. And go ahead and create the listing, and your friends will not see the listing at all. That's it. That's how you hide it. If you have existing or new listings, if you have any questions, put those in the comment section below. We'll talk with you guys in the next video.